of a slant over here. I'll put this in the middle. Seems like it might be my imagination. I don't know. This might not reach then. Yeah, it's gonna reach. So, wrap this baby up. $1,800 watts, 13 actual, 1,300. Ooh! I'll put a timer on that. This is just about full. I'll put a timer on that, and we'll see how long it takes. It ain't a whole lot longer than propane. I'm pretty sure on that. I mean, you'd want to have it protected from the wind. I got a plan for that too. I'll show you. I don't know if it'll work or not, but I've got a piece of oh, dang. Piece of this Reflectix. It'd have to be sitting on the picnic table. But all I need is basically 3 sides, so I might like cut a slit in it right here to fit around this. Oh boy. Fit around that electrical cord, and then make something to secure it in the front. But I don't think it's, I think it would work. It's kind of look goofy to somebody walking by. I had one ordered on Amazon and they canceled the order. Must have been too good a deal or something. Well, that looks like a pretty good size video there. I'll let you go. Bring you back. I gotta find out what time it is to get this timed. Bye now.